Yo guys, good day. Quick video lang. Meron tayong tanong dito. May phone handling din ba daw ang DHPA or Dental Healthcare Visual Assistant? Yes po. 90% of your tasks that will be given by your client ay connected with phone handlings, like calling patients in regards to their outstanding treatment plan, calling patients for their upcoming appointments, calling pharmacy for patient's prescription, calling insurance to get patient insurance breakdown benefits. Yes, expect na bubula yung bibig nyo when you are the HPA, but hindi naman ganun kahirap yung work, lalo na pag nasanay ka na sa workflow nyo. And super bihira lang din ng mga parang back office work na parang hindi nag-handle ng calls, kasi mostly ng clients ay ginagawang front desk or receptionist ng kanilang clinics. I hope that this video give you more insights what will be the role of